Hello friends, welcome back to Learn and Explore. In the previous videos, I have discussed about Google Earth and AutoCAD and many other topics. But today, I will discuss in a different topic, that is, if you have a drawing in AutoCAD, provided that the drawing is georeference, that is made by UTM coordinate or any rectangular projections. So if you want to view that AutoCAD drawing to a Google Earth software, then in order to create KML file, then follow the steps. So here I will for the example I will choose a AutoCAD drawing that is UTM made by UTM coordinate, and I will show you the steps to convert this AutoCAD file to a KML file, so that we can open it, we can view the AutoCAD drawings in the Google Earth software. So in the overall steps I will use three softwares. Two softwares you know, that is AutoCAD and the Google Earth Pro, and another software I will use, that is QGIS. You may not know about the QGIS software, and I will tell you about the QGIS software. This is a QGIS software, the Quantum GIS software. You can download it from the www.qgis.org. Don't worry, this is not a paid software, it's free to use. Okay, so here you can download the software and choose your 64-bit or 32-bit, and you can download it for Linux and Windows also. Okay, so let's begin, friends. So you can see that I have an AutoCAD drawing, and see this coordinate. These coordinate values, these drawing coordinates are made by UTM coordinate, and in my example the UTM zone is 46 north. And if you don't know the UTM zone, then you can check. We have already uploaded a video to calculate the UTM zone. You can check that video. Okay, so first of all, if your drawing is in DWG format, you have to save this drawing as DXF format. And if you have the drawing in DXF format, then that's okay. So the step one is to save the drawing as DXF format. So I'm saving this drawing as DXF. Try 2000 version, this will be better. So data UTM, I'm renaming the name as DXF in the folder AutoCAD to Google Earth. Save. So I have saved this drawing. Okay, now open QGIS after installing it from the www.qgis.org. It's an open source GIS software, and it has very much of tools for the survey engineers and in GIS field also. In the project option, I'm going for the new one. I'm opening new project, and here in this QGIS software, just go to the add vector layer option. Here you can add different types of data formats. Okay, so I will import that DXF file what I have generated from the AutoCAD. So here go to add vector layer, and then the source data set. Everything will be like the source type will be file, and the data sets will be the DXF file what I have generated. So here is the DXF file, data UTM DXF. So open it. Now open. In this dialog box will appear coordinate reference system selector. I have told you that my example is related to the UTM 46 zone. So in the filter option I will search for UTM 46 north. So in the coordinate reference system, here you will find that UTM 46 north or south. So as my data is UTM zone 46 north and WGS 84, then I will choose this one. Now okay, your drawing will come here. You can see that drawing, I'm changing the color so that you can see this. Yes, so this is the drawing. And if after importing this, whenever it asks for the coordinate, then you just select whatever your coordinate is, UTM 40 zone. maybe this software asks for 2 times or 3 times. Okay, so after importing that DXF file in the QGIS, you just have to right click on this. In the layer panel you will find that DXF file what you have imported, and just right click here and you will see that save as option here. In the save as option, save vector layer as dialog box will appear, and here the format will be KML. You can see different formats are there. You can also export this save file to save file, CSV file, etc. So now we want that KML file, that is keyhole markup language, and in the file name you have to give the output directory where you want to save that KML file. So I'm giving the name as exported KML from DXF. Save as type is KML. Now save this drawing. Here in the CRS, okay, in the CRS means the coordinate reference system. Select the CRS. Here you can change that CRS to WGS84, or you can keep it as UTM zone also, but it will be better that change that coordinate system to WGS84, that is lat long values. We will get the lat long values. So I am choosing that WGS84 only WGS84. Okay, now okay, here you will they will display a message that export to vector.dal file has been completed. Anyway, what the error showing, this is not an error. We will go to the folder and check whether that is exported or not. See, exported KML from DXF.kml is generated. Okay, ignore the error what I have shown there. Now I'm going to the Google Earth. Here I will import this KML file to check whether my AutoCAD file is perfectly shown or not. So to import in the Google Earth, I am using Google Earth Pro. Go to file and open and select that KML what you have generated from the QGIS file. So I'm selecting this. Now open. It will move to the location where the AutoCAD map exists. So let's check it. See, this is right because this is an topo data of a ground, cricket ground. No, sorry, not cricket ground, it's a football ground. So I have taken for the example. See that line, and you can also check that AutoCAD file. Here is the road and this is the stadium, and in the Google Earth you can see the road has been georeference, not georeference, it is overlaid like this. You can also see that this is, so my data is correct. And if you sometimes what happens that if your coordinate is wrong, then this line will show some shifted some direction. There is also a method to move that line. Okay, in that QGIS I will tell you later in the other videos. Till then, watch our channel for more updates. This is what we need, that we want to show the AutoCAD drawing in the Google Earth. So this is, I am done. If it relates to you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel Learn and Explore. Different type of videos about surveying and GIS field. Okay, keep supporting. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.